What the hell are these doing here? I haven't seen these in forever. And all of a sudden they're at the outlets. What the hell? Cool Kicks YouTube channel, we are back in Torrance. All right, I did check the middle, no heat wall, which kind of is a good thing because that means we do get 30% off everything. This is one of the reasons why I like this place is because they throw everything on the back wall. Do got some 12s. This is a women's, and it's like hella small, but it's size 6 women's, 4.5 youth. Yeah, they're $225. At least you do get that 30 off. Also do got one of these, the Billie Eilish. And the material on these is just so freaking nice. Just looks a little bit weird with 75 straps on it. But yeah, they are the Billie Eilish Air Force One highs. It is $110. You get that 30 off. That was a 7.5. Been seeing a bunch of these. Ton of different sizes. $80 you to get that 30 off on top. 9.5. I already see a size 10 right here, and this is supposed to be the smaller sizes. $130 for these Air Max 1s. Zoom Generations right here. $190 for those mother lovers. Air Max 97s, 8.5 for $140. Black Cement right here. Black Cement Jordan 2s. $175 for these. Size 9 trainers right here. Going for $110. Oh, I freaking love seeing these here. $85. This is a size 8 though, and it's been worn. It's been worn. No refurbish program, you guys, and stuff. Like, been telling you guys, you know, just because it quote unquote refurbished doesn't mean that they cleaned it. Just because, you know, just because it's in a brand new box doesn't mean it's brand new. Like, just, I'm saying none of that means anything, to be really honest. $85 for those. I did hear that they are closing the Nike refurbished website, which kind of sucks. But yeah, $130. It's probably closed by the time you guys see this because I'm a few days ahead. Got some of the Luka 2s right here. $70 for Luka 2s. Really? $70, and then you get that extra discount. Holy crap. Under $50 for Lukas? Really? Wow, that's a size 12. Yo, what the hell is this? How is this here? How is this here? Really? What the hell? 9.5. This is a what? This is a $140 for these. Game of Thrones LeBron 9s. You only get one of. Oh, it does have both. It does have both. Okay. I think these also came with black laces, didn't they? I don't know. I do have these at home. I haven't worn them in a while. Yeah, we got to look at these. These are the Game of Thrones. One of the dopest LeBron colorways. Has history, has everything that you want in a sneaker, has a ton of bling on it. And I can't believe they got these. $140. Wow. 8.5 right here. Damn, man, I'm dropping everything. Too good. These for $145. LeBron 21s. Aki. Well, let these go for $2 bills. $2 bills. Which colorway is this? Oh, yeah, that's one of the worst ones. Let's throw it back. All right, I'm sure some of you guys do like the LeBrons. I'm not the biggest fan of these. Just on for the first time today, I think. And yeah, they're here. They're here. Man, I always get fooled. I'm like, which Jordan? No, man. Yeah, man, this is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about here. The Fear 3s. Fear 3s. Dang, with the freaking friends and family, this would be like hella cheap. It wouldn't fit me though. Not my size, but still, damn. $210 for these. Remember, you do get the extra 30% off the back wall. Air Force One mids right here, $130. That's a wheat. It's like a new buck. Nice. I've been seeing a bunch of these, and then I do got some Sakai's right here, $100, size 10. Lakers colorway. I just saw these at the retail store, Santa Monica, $170, size 10 for those. Nike by Anthony's right here. These are the Sabrinas, right? The Sabrinas, aka Kobe's. Like, man, every basketball sneaker looks like Kobe now. All of them look like Kobe 6s, like a derivative of them. $110 though. That's a healthy price. That's a real nice price. That is a men's 11. Got some of these next gens right here, $1.10. That's a weird colorway. ACGs right here. Mountain Fly Toulouse, $1.40. ACGs are just expensive as hell. They're always expensive. And these look pretty nice. These look actually pretty nice. Got some terrible looking mocks. Not sure thing they do got them. $70 for those. Jordan 6 Golf right here, all white. Yeah. Oh, okay. There's, I don't know what that is. That like a caramel colorway or something on the bottom? Haven't seen that. Okay. Okay. Not bad. $1.50 for those. Undefeateds right here. $1.50 for those. What size is that? Size 13. And they do have my size right here. This is size 10. With the threes, I could do a 10. I could do a 10.5. Yeah, I'm just not interested in that colorway. The dark stuff is dope, but I don't know. What yellow? Is it orange? Yeah, some sort of orange. Did I say yellow? Some sort of orange. Yeah, not a fan. Look at this. Pegasus Trail 3s. You get another 30. Under $30. Under $30. Some trail running shoes right here. Holy cow. Holy cow. Another one of these right here. $70 for this one. Ooh, is this one of the slides? Yeah, size 12. I can do a size 12 in these. Because these, I do like them big, but I'm just not a fan of that colorway. And I could have got this cheaper at, what was that place called? That Chic. Chic had these for hella cheap. And I got Wild Horse right here. Size 13 go for $140. Get the Pegasus Trails in. They got Air Max 1s right here, $110. Jordan 1 cleats right here, $140 for these. These look fire, dude. They do look dope. It's interesting seeing just all leather on the bottom like that, but yeah, that's dope. That's dope. $140 for those. These are size 13 for Big Feet Gang. Got some one. Oh, I was like, are these some one? Not Jumpman. Or some Access right here, $50. Yeah, not much for Big Feet Gang. 2 trays going for $85 right here. Some Soldiers, $50. Holy crap. Holy crap. 30%. That's $35. That's a hell of a discount. And then these some Sabrinas, more of these. $1.30 for those. Nike sweatshirt, kind of, sort of, because it's a sweatshirt. It's not a sweater, but $70. Oh, and I did forget to show 30% off the clearance section right there. $70 for this pullover. It is a ThermaFit. Nike LA hoodie right here, $45. This is an XL. Wait. Oh, what? Oh, man. Wasted one of these fire jerseys on Trey Lance. Dang, dude. Man, I was about to have a boner, man. This thing is fire, dude, but there's no point in getting a Trey Lance. Especially, man, they want the full 180s too? Really? Yeah, these are both XLs. Almost had a child for nothing, doggy. Dang, dude. $65 for these. Hoodie right here. Super, super soft. $60 for these. Trail running triple XL. Or double XL, my bad. $30. Dang, this is such a huge freaking polo. God dang, dude. Oh, it's like one of those dress thingies, I think. But it is a double XL. So $70 for that. I was so confused. Got polo right here. Look at this Nike Golf 105. 105 Nike Golf. Holy crap. This is Tiger Woods collection, but wow, that is pricey. Wow. Out of my budget. Dope shorts right here. These are fleece. Jumpman logo on the bottom. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? $12. $12. Oh yeah, I got a homie that can use this. $12 minus 30%. So is that $8? $9? He wears a double XL. He'll fit this. And dang it, I told myself I was gonna bring bags because I don't really need a bag from them. I have like 500 bags at home. I really don't want a bag, but they are good for the thumbnail. I'm not gonna lie. Like showing that bag, like that's like a thumbnail that you guys all seem to like and watch all the time. That's why I need to start bringing bags, my own bags, and I could reuse them because I really don't need any more bags at home. And kind of a waste to throw them all away. $125. I do recycle, but still, not necessarily the exact same as not getting one at all. $100 for the ACG pants right here. Holy cow! Holy cow! All right, we're gonna check out the aisles. Let's see what's up with the aisles. All right, budget signature jerseys. Oh, plenty. We've seen a million of these. The KD Trey 5'9", seen plenty of those. Witness 7's, been seeing plenty of those. Ooh, they got the Zoom Freaks right here for $100. We've seen that cheaper even at the retail shops though. But yeah, I do got the Antetokounmpos, the Immortality 2s right there, Cosmic Unities. Remember 97? Remember, you do get that extra 30 off. Don't forget that, even if it's in the aisles. $60 for that. That's a dope colorway right there. And then we see Jordan Retros. Got some 2s right here. Go up to size 14. White infrareds. Man, we got these go to what size? 11? These size 12. Yep. And then lately, been seeing a ton of the non-signatures, aka Team Jordans. $50 for those fadeaways right there. They got a bunch. And yeah, none of them. Oh, this is the only one over $100. Pretty well priced. We saw this a few more dollars at Watts. And then we got the Westbrook Take ones right here. And then Pegasus, oh plenty as well. 50-50. These are under 50. So you get that extra 30 off of those. But yeah, man, plenty of those. All right, we're gonna check out more of the apparel, and then we'll move on to where we go. Oh, the women's. We're gonna move on to the women's. Got shorts on sale, an extra 30% off. $30 for those. So like, what are those, like $21? It says clearance right here, which does mean 30% off, right? It means 30% off all this. So that's what, $21 for these hoodies. $21. It's kind of ugly, but you know, hey, some people are into that, you know, whatever, you know, if that's your thing. That's hella cheap. And these white ones, $21 as well. Yep. Got multiple sizes. This is an SC shirt right here. Fight on SC. Yeah, $40. You do get that extra. Yeah, I think you get that extra percentage off on all this stuff as well. UCLA shirt, $35. All kinds of graphic tees always on sale. $12.50 if you get 2. We're in a little bougier neighborhood, so they do have golf stuff. Super yellow, going for $40. See, this one's nice right here, but that's $70. $70. Super premium. It is a dry fit. Shorts only again. The golf shorts right here, and these bad boys is going for $45. That's actually not bad. $45. You do get that extra 30 off. They got black here as well. More clearance stuff right here, so more 30% off. Do got tanks going for $27, dry fit tanks, and then these are down to $20. They have a few sizes, not too many. And then people who do not live in Southern California are gonna get mad at me for showing these, because we still have them here, and you still can get them for 30% off. These are size 11 too, which is a great size for all the guys who collect Jordans. Well, not all the guys. If you wear 9.5, that's good. But yeah, I do got a couple of them, and I would assume they have multiple pairs or multiple sizes, because they got 2 just in that size alone. I also got this size 10.5 right here. They threw it in the women's. It's in the right size though, because that is 12 women's. All the 12s right there. $130 for those. Jordan 1 Low SE right here, $120. Oh, that's like a really nice material too. That's that SE stuff right there. Size 11. Comforts, $110. Do got these Dunk High 85s right here. $100. Pretty dope color. That's what, 11.5 men's. $100 for those. Tara Kigers at $110. Get into some more normal sizes. Oh, not even size 11. They got some Air Max 1s right here. These feel hella premium. Holy cow, this feels hella nice. And yeah, man, these are $150. I don't know which collab this is. I think it's a collab with someone, but yeah, those are nice. Okay, like I said, more normal sizes right here. $110 for the Cortez right here. GT Cut 2.0 is $120. Jordan 1 Mids, $125. Air Max 97s, $85. These are 8.5, $180. Wow. $130 for these bad boys, size 8. Refurb right here. Don't see too many refurb. Damn, $140, really? Gently worn. What the hell? Woodside Chukkas, $110. Infinity Run Flyknits, $125. And another colorway right here, $85. That's a size 9. Checking the women's aisles. Some 270s right there. Air Max 270s again. Air Max 90s. Got some blazers. Another all white one right here. Black and white. Air Max 2017. Plum Fog iced lavender. Got triple white. Platforms. Another one right here. All right, I got a phone call. My bad, you guys. Kind of a abrupt stop, but yeah, I'm gonna grab these. Normally 45, down to what is it, like $8? Maybe $9. I don't know, but yeah, it's probably like $8.70 or something. But yeah, I'm gonna grab these. I'm getting the hell out of here, man. Getting the hell out. Yeah, so that means I got it for what, $8 or something? $8? What the hell? Holy cow! All right, George. Congrats, George. Got some $8 shorts. I was like, this had to have been in there. In the computer, it did show up as $11.97 or whatever, and then 30% off. So, yeah, it looks like this kind of might have just gotten lost at the warehouse or in the back. It might have just like fell through a crevice and it just sat there. Because remember, Nike pricing is all about how long you've had the item at that store. So it probably just got lost, something like that. I've benefited from that like on numerous occasions. So. Pretty dope, dude. Pretty dope, man. Make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like this video, do all that good stuff. And we're done. We're done, man. There's my $1,700 tires right there. Expensive ass tires. Dang it. See you. So I stopped by what, 5-6 places today? Stopped by quite a few places today. And in the evening at Birmingham High School, they got a high school all-star game. So yeah, I'm watching some high school football. One of my friends' kiddos is playing. Then getting some Arby's. I freaking love Arby's. I haven't eaten anything all day, so this is it, man. This is it. Let's go. Let's go, fools. After all that driving, getting some gas. Gas is $4.44 here. I wanted to talk about this because when I was in Texas, $2.50. $2.50 in Texas. It was not, I don't think it went over $3 anywhere. So yeah, $4.43, and this is the cheapest place in the San Fernando Valley. This is literally the cheapest one. I think I want to say half the places are close to $5 here, like $4.89, something like that. Damn.